Big issue for cooling towers is hardware. And the reason why it's an issue is because there's a lot of very old and tired cooling towers. And I've seen this again and again. You go there and the cooling towers are 20 years old. They're horrible objects. How they don't kill everyone with Legionella, I don't know, etc., etc. There are different types of cooling towers. There are induced draft cooling towers and forced draft cooling towers. Forced draft cooling towers have a fan at the bottom and they push all the air up through it. An induced draft have a fan at the top and they suck the air through. The induced draft towers are generally more efficient, very simply because when you turn the fan off, the air can still move through the cooling tower. Whereas the forced draft fans, because the fan is stuck there in the airflow, you can't actually get any air through the cooling towers. You get no free cooling. You have to have the fan running to make the cooling tower work. It's inherently less efficient. So in terms of getting better efficiency, typically spreading the load out across multiple towers gets you better efficiency. But the most important exercise is to optimize the temperature set point to what your your chillers. As a whole, your chillers are going to be far more energy consuming than your cooling towers. So running the cooling towers a little bit harder to get a lower temperature is typically a good thing. It all needs to be optimized, but it's, as a general rule, a lower condensing temperature, harder work at the cooling towers gives you a better performance.